Hello everyone. First of all, I welcome you all in third semester of Computer Engineering group. In this semester, you have to study total 5 subjects as shown in presentation. There are main 5 subjects that are object oriented programming, data structure, computer graphics, database management system and digital techniques. From all of these, I am here to introduce the details of database management system. As the name of the course itself indicates, it is management system of database, means it manages data by storing data in the form of databases. Nowadays, the most valuable thing is data. Now, you may have question in your mind, what do you mean by data? Data is information regarding any real world object, for example, teacher, student, table, chair, etc. Each and every organization needs to share huge amount of data in effective manner. After studying this course, you are able to create, store, modify, manage and extract information from a database. Database system can be used a backend for developing database application. By studying this course, you became competent to apply database management concept using structured query language, that is SQL. DBMS course mainly divided into 5 outcomes, which are as per user requirements. We can create databases, but we have to design consistent and normalized database. This course provide us ways to normalize the databases. To create, manage database, we have structured query language, that is SQL. This course provide us various SQL commands to manage the databases. DBMS include structured query language SQL, which provide programming language support for advanced queries. Using PLSQL, we can write code for given databases, as well as we can create triggers on the DBMS, also create procedure function according to condition. By using above facilities provided by DBMS, we can create, store, retrieve data from database in the effective and efficient way. But database is very important, so this will need more security. For this also, DBMS provide us some SQL commands through which we can apply security and confidentiality on given database. Now look at the teaching scheme and examination scheme. In the teaching scheme here, L means lectures. In that, for DBMS we have 4 lectures per week. T means tutorial. For this course we have 2 hours per week per batch, and P means practical, same as like tutorials means 2 hours per week batch wise. Therefore, total C means credit are 8 for DBMS. We need more practice for SQL commands so that we can achieve the above course outcomes. Now look at the examination scheme, which is divided into 2 parts, theory and practical. Both sections like theory examination and practical examination is further divided into 2 types. EAC means end semester examination and PA means progressive assessment. Let us focus on theory examination. For this course there is 70-30 pattern. That is EAC 70 marks theory paper of 3 hour duration at the semester end. PA is 30 include average marks of 2 class tests conducted during semester of 20 marks each, plus marks of micro project of course out of 10 marks. Now let us focus on practical examination. For this course, there is external end semester practical examination conducted for practical EAC 25 marks. Practical PA is a progressive assessment of practical manuals, that is term work duly submitted throughout the semester by student. In this manner, this complete course is of 150 marks. The complete syllabus is divided into 5 chapters. Out of complete semester include total 16 weeks, and we have total 4 lectures per week, so we have total 64 lectures in all for total 5 chapters. Specification table shows division of all 64 lectures chapter wise as per their complexity and requirement. Look at the specification table for question paper design. This represents how much weightage is given to specific chapter in the question paper. Designing along with its level like remember, understand and application level. As per the specification table, we have 5 chapters. In that, first chapter have total weightage of 12 marks. Second chapter have total weightage 18 marks. Third chapter have total weightage 14 marks. Fourth chapter of PLSQL programming having total 16 marks of weightage, and last chapter number 5 have 10 marks weightage for theory examination. For practicals, MSBT provide us a practical manual for progressive assessment of practical. Starting from basic level to the complex application, we have to perform total 17 major practicals. Each practical include sub-practicals of structured query language, that is SQL. There is a concept of micro project introduced in ICE semester, in which each student must work on micro project in group of 3 or 4 students for each course and apply the knowledge gained from the entire course to implement something new. This is all about introduction of DBMS course contents with examination scheme. Here is some learning resources you may refer to this course. You may also join some courses on Swayam portal if available. Thank you.